The bike, yeah, we were a bit, in the beginning I had to like close gaps, but we had a very good group that worked well together. I was very surprised, like there were so many good girls on the bike, so I also didn't have the freshest legs. I didn't really feel good on the bike, but I tried to like stay like mental positive for the run because I know I have potential there. But yeah, I felt like not good until I put on my running shoes. Before, everything just felt very bad. It's my first time. Yeah, it's very, very cute here. It's very nice. Like Caorle is very small, but with the river and everything, it's very beautiful. I really like it, yeah. Well, maybe we have seen it, I was a bit emotional. So for me, the last 2 years have just been, yeah, a lot of injuries, a lot of setbacks, and also like wasn't sure if I could ever come back. So now I'm very pleased like to win this race. It means a lot.